Probably the most frequently asked question about the vintage sewing machine mastery is how does it work? Or what does it look like? I know we're all a little more familiar with doing things virtually, but when it comes to sewing machines and learning how to restore or service them, that can be a bit mystifying. I understand that you may be hesitant in joining such a program, but I want to make sure you know how it works and that the learning curve in technology is very short and the personal assistance and guidance is always available to you. Hi, I'm Andy Barney, Master Technician and owner of Sewing Doc Professional Service Shop located in Cumming, Georgia, and also of the Sewing Doc Academy, where we teach all aspects of sewing machine service, repair, and restoration. Welcome to our Frequently Asked Questions series. The main reason we teach virtually is because we have a severe shortage of knowledgeable and capable technicians in the United States. This was an issue before COVID, but the situation is even more dire now and getting worse, especially with vintage machines, as those with the knowledge and skills specifically needed for old machines have retired or passed on, and they're taking their knowledge with them. So we need to reach as many people as possible to empower you to not only care for your own machines without needing to rely on a technician, but to also help in your own community when possible, and if that's your desire. Sewing Doc is one of the few service shops left in the Southeast that is known for vintage and antique machine restoration, service, and repair. And in this program, we teach you the exact same methods and procedures that we use every single day in our shop. It is our ultimate commitment to pass on our knowledge and keep saving the world one sewing machine at a time. I do understand that it is difficult sometimes to move from live in-person learning to distance or virtual learning, but I promise you that the benefits are many. For one, you save money on travel expenses, loss of time, and other roadblocks. Our programs are meant for you to learn at your own pace, on your own schedule, and in a way that works for you. But also, you have access to a live human to assist you when you need it, and you learn among those that are passionate about vintage machines just like you are. When you enroll in our program, you instantly have access to our extensive learning library modules that will walk you through all the basics, from what cleaning chemicals and supplies you need, what lubricants to use, how to take off covers and remove parts, how to handle seize machines, basic cleaning and lubrication, and many minor repairs. We are always adding to these modules, so technically it's a workshop that's always growing. But the best part, you have access to the learning modules for life. It never expires, so you can refer to it when you need a refresher or take in a new machine and need a little guidance. Some people choose to watch all of the videos before starting on their machines, but most like to work on their machine side by side with the videos, since you can pause and skip around. So this is truly a hands-on program. We even have a free app that makes it easy to access all of the learning materials and live call sessions directly from your Apple or Android phone or a tablet. And when you have questions or uncertainties or just feel stuck, you do have access to me, your instructor, and a whole supportive group of folks so that you can learn from each other. This is the real value of our program, because this is really what you cannot get from a YouTube video and rarely find in a Facebook group. We also have a private community where you post pictures, ask questions, share your victories and disappointments, and have general conversation. So we highly encourage you to ask your questions through our community because we're all continually learning from each other. If you have a certain question or issue, it's likely that someone else does too, and maybe they didn't know how to ask it. So once you've posted your question, usually I and others will give you some suggestions or feedback to keep you moving, and all of our answers, of course, are based on experience. If it's a more complex issue, I will send videos and pictures with clarification, and we always have the option of jumping on a private Zoom call so that I can see your machine and we can sort out the issue together. When you ask questions, you are getting specific instruction and guidance based on your specific issue and your specific machine, not just a general catch-all answer. You are never limited in the number of questions you ask or how much help you receive. The entire basis of this program is to continually give you support, guidance, and instruction when you need it. If you intend to build a side business or work on machines that are not yours, this is extremely valuable as you grow your skills. Every month, we host a live Saturday clinic in which we deep dive on specific topics in machine restoration and service, and most often we will do a case study. We pull a machine from our actual queue that needs service, maybe repair or restoration, and walk through a real-life situation as we never know what we're going to get. This gives you a chance to ask questions while we are in the machine itself and we are approaching the machine that we've never seen before. Eventually, the case studies are added to the learning library modules, so you have access to them for life. Also, every Wednesday, I host a live Q&A and social session for about 1 to 2 hours. In these Zoom calls, I answer any questions on things that have come up for you, and we have general discussion around sewing machines, the culture, and really anything the group wants to talk about. It is truly a bonding experience, sharing time with others that are excited and learning just like you. Wednesdays are absolutely my favorite day of the week. If you are not able to join live, we do post all of the replays of both the live clinics and the social sessions for you to watch at your leisure. Once you are enrolled in the program, we do offer the opportunity to schedule a one-on-one call with me so that we can talk about your goals or whatever it is that you want to accomplish from our program. Some just want to take care of their own machines to save money and time. Others are worried about the economy and want to build a small business for extra income. But many in our program are also using their skills for charity or volunteer work. Knowing what it is that you would like to accomplish helps us maximize your membership and experience. This is free and definitely not required. For more information on the Vintage Sewing Machine Mastery Program, visit our website at www.sewingdockacademy.com, and we look forward to working with you.